how is the Cheesecake Factory a lesson in postmodernism?
You've probably tried their cheesecakes, or even been to one of their restaurants. But have you ever considered the architecture? Inside and out, the 40-year-old restaurant chain is like an architect's surreal, dystopian fever dream. These enormous columns are a page out of ancient Greece's playbook. This doorway mimics a Roman arch. This tendril detailing is wannabe Art Nouveau, while these lamps just scream Art Deco.
It's wild, it's bizarre, and it's all pure postmodernism.
As this viral tweet explains, the Cheesecake Factory is a fully immersive postmodern design hellscape. In other words, Cheesecake Factory architecture is as hodgepodge as the 20-page Cheesecake Factory menu itself. So how did it get this way? It all started with founder David Overton's dream to create a timeless restaurant. Overton mined things he liked from all of architectural history and Frankensteined them together. Overton founded the Cheesecake Factory in Beverly Hills in 1978. His first outpost looked tame compared to today.
Overton discovered a photograph of an old bathhouse with faux Egyptian columns. He wanted them in his restaurants, too.
Little did Overton know that his vision would lead to one of the most ubiquitous examples of one of the most maligned and misunderstood design movements of the 20th century: postmodernism. Postmodernism, like its name says, came after modernism. The style began percolating in the 1960s and then became a full architectural movement in the 1980s. While modernists celebrated streamlined and functional design, postmodernists rallied for richer designs that embodied regional history and vernacular influences. In other words, postmodernists cut and paste from the past to forge designs for the future. They believed modernism was elitist and alienating, so they strove for popular appeal and erased any distinction between high and lowbrow design. Kind of like the Cheesecake Factory.
Famous architects closely linked to the style did the same remixing, but with more restraint.
This children's museum in Houston is a dead ringer for a Greek temple. This Disney World hotel owes its silhouette to Egyptian pyramids. And this New York City skyscraper nods to Chippendale furniture. Modernism was a black and white silent film to postmodernism's Technicolor surround sound blockbuster. David Overton was on a mission of mass appeal, on every level, even the menu. With over 250 items, the menu is like a twisted greatest hits compilation, similar to its restaurant design.
So next time you're at the Cheesecake Factory, you can get a side of architectural history along with your dessert.